Hi team, for today's workout we're going to be working on our posterior chain. We're going to be doing 8 glute bridges with the barbell here, 8 sumo deads, and then 2 laps of the sled. We're going for 5 rounds. Okay, here we go. Make sure you get the barbell right across your hips. Bring your feet in as close to your bottom as you can. Push up, squeeze the glutes, slow release. So 8 of those, then we're going across 8 sumo deadlifts. I might come around this side. Squeeze the butt at the top. Okay, over to the sled. Okay, and repeat that 4 more times, 5 rounds in total. Feel the burn in your butt.